Hey guys, I'm Sadie from GatherCore, and today we're going to be making rope out of plastic bags or string that you have at home. Here's the rope that I made first out of plastic bags. It's pretty strong and it's a great way to use non-reusable plastic. First, you want to cut even strands of rope or string, whatever material you're using. I'm using a spool that I found at home, but you can use whatever material you want. You can use grass, string, plastic bags. Now this is a pretty thick set of strings, and once you have enough, then we're going to begin making our rope. First, you need to cut two smaller pieces that we will use to tie the beginning and the end of our ropes, to start it and to finish. These don't need to be as long as the other strands. You're going to take the beginning of your rope and wrap the string around a couple times to make sure it's secure. And then you're going to tie it off. Tie it pretty tight so that the strings don't come loose. There. And then you can cut it if you want it to look a bit cleaner. And we can begin making our rope. First, begin by dividing your strands into two even pieces. Then use a piece of tape to secure your rope before we begin. Then you're going to twist towards you both strands and pull tight on the side to make your rope. You're going to continue doing this until you get to the end. Once you've reached the bottom, tie your rope in a knot to secure the twist. And there you go. There's your rope, nice and strong. This is an easy craft you can do with anything in your home. And it makes for pretty bracelets or just longer rope that you can use to tie things. Using plastic bags is also a great way to use plastic inside your house. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is your final product. I hope you enjoyed.